welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I look like I got some on tea. Let's start that over. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LiaLeigh, and I am back with another video. Yay! I'm excited because I have officially began my new job. I have just got home and got situated. I didn't even jump in the shower. Call me nasty, I don't care what y'all say, but the grind don't stop. I wanted to jump right into filming. That's what I planned on doing today. I wanted to film last night, but I kind of went out to Target and bought some natural hair products, some shampoo, some conditioner, all of the above. And by the time I had made it back home, it was like almost 11 o'clock, something like that. And no, it was like my bedtime. So anywho, if y'all are not subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and do that for me. Okay. Yeah, and I will love you long time. Plus, by the way, once I reach 100,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway for my ladies. My fellas have hit me up in my comments, and I have read your comments saying that what are you gonna do for the guys? We here too, we support you too, and y'all do. So I am still thinking on that, and I might actually run, no, you know what, I'm gonna probably open up another slot for guys to win. So y'all let me think on that, marinate. But back to the point of what I was saying. The link to the giveaway is going to be down in the description. It's actually going to be in the description and in my pinned comment where the comments are going to be at. So when you commenting, because you're going to comment, right? Make sure you pay attention to the link in my pinned comment. So today I'm going to be doing some natural hair tutorials for you guys. It is that time again. I feel like it's that time for me to reintroduce myself to the people that don't know me. Y'all know I be doing hair, whatever, natural hairstyle stuff, you know, simple stuff that y'all can keep up with. So before we jump into this video, I wanted to let y'all know that I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. I ain't gonna take a hit out. I ain't gonna do that. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I will be doing some braiding styles. I feel like my lip gloss is getting caked up on the side or something. Let me fix that because that ain't cute. That ain't cute. Alright, so I don't wanna say what's that on shirt. I'm doing some braiding hairstyles for y'all. So this was my bun that I of course went to work with. Y'all see my little bun back here. I'm gonna turn around. Let y'all see that. That was cute. That was cute. I've been wearing buns for the 3 days that I have been in training. And let me tell y'all how I attempted to do some flat twists last night. The flat twist actually came out pretty good. I had a little sock in there. The flat twist came out good, you guys. But let me tell y'all how when I woke up this morning, my hair wasn't like all the way dry. It wasn't wet at all, but it was like kind of damp. Like it was still like dampy. So I was like, ooh, yeah, I know this ain't about to turn out right. And it didn't. So all that beautiful time and beautiful product that I wasted last night, I was mad as I don't know what. So I'm about to wet my hair and we're about to begin these tutorials. So I'm actually going to continue with this side part for this first style. I'm gonna actually continue with the side part. I'm gonna try to bring it more to the middle just so I could get a bigger braid on this side. But so this first style that we're gonna be doing, you guys, that I'm going to be showing y'all, are basically the two braids that one's gonna come this way and then one's gonna come down that way, you know what I'm saying? And they're going to meet in the back. And you can actually leave these braids out, or you can like put them up, you know, like, and wrap them up. You can do whatever. So this ain't gonna work. I need my mirror to be over here so I could be looking in y'all direction still. My mirror is so gross. Ew. This actually works well that my hair was being pulled because now it's straight and it's gonna be easier for me to braid it because this hair be a challenge sometimes. Oh Lord. And I know y'all gonna ask me what products did I purchase, or even if y'all don't ask me what products I purchased last night from Target, I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Because while I was buying these products, y'all, I had to do a couple of reviews, not reviews, but just watch some reviews while I was shopping, because I'm not all that familiar with like natural hair products at all. So I'm still learning to see like what's the best product excuse me, what's the best product for twist outs and stuff like that. So I got this lemongrass leave-in conditioner spray, which is good for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair. I have actually tried it before, but it wasn't mine. It was one of my homegirls, and it worked decent. I thought it was cool and it smelled well. It smelled really good, almost like a sweet lemon. So I was like, oh, okay, why not try it? And then I got this Miel twisting souffle, which I had seen some pretty awesome reviews on. Y'all, I ain't all that good with natural hairstyles, like sleep overnight, air dry hairstyles. So I'm still learning with those. Those really take patience and the right products, because in the right amount. It's like a chemistry to that, because you can't add too much product, because then it, you know, it just builds up and your hair might not turn out right. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna braid this hair right quick. So you guys, this style, it took a little bit of effort. It's not super neat, but I have been seeing a lot of hairstyles, natural hairstyles with twists and braids that aren't super duper neat. I'm not saying that the fact that these are like crooked, but I'm saying like the braids, like, I don't know, they just don't be super neat all the time. So I'm gonna take these out because not have I only been seeing styles with these little things up there, the little space balls. Ooh, I got a piece of my hair I'm pulling. Okay, I've also been seeing people like braid these out all the way down. And then of course they'll be like neater than that, and then that one will be all the way down as well. I've been seeing people put beads on them, ribbons and everything, just like they would do with hair, like braids that's like have weave in it, but with their own hair, like in a temporary style like this. So I'm like, oh, okay, maybe they're going to like a festival or something like that, because honestly I would never wear my hair like this more than a day that I'm wearing it, just because it's too prone to get tangled up and all that stuff. Like they really be wearing their hair like this and then be having beads and stuff on it. I don't have any beads that will go through this thick hair. Let's see, I might have some beads that I use from my twist. These little thick beads. Let me see if I got the little applicator. All right, so I found this. I just gotta make sure my hair can get through it. I'm gonna try this little bitty baby braid. Oh, they went right up there. I feel like I might be testing my luck with this one, y'all. Oh Lord. Oh, my hair didn't even go through it. Oh, that one went too. Okay, we in there. All right, let me do these two right quick. All right, guys, so I added my beads, and I also added some to these. I just braided these all the way down, put some rubber bands at the ends, and then I put the wider beads. And then here, I didn't bring these beads all the way down just because the ends are so skinny. These beads can just fall right off. So I think this style is cute. I think it'd be even cuter if my hair was a little bit more defined, a lot more defined. Right now, I've just been braiding and pulling and brushing and combing, so it really can't get no texturized looking good look right now. You know what I'm saying? I kind of got tongue twisted, tongue tied, all of that. And but other than that, I feel like this style came out really cute, especially with the braids and everything. I feel like I'm something like off an Avatar or something. Like I'm supposed to be running through the woods with a big old like a stick cane type thing, or like with a horse or something. You know what I'm saying? Like some exotic Amazon type stuff. And y'all feel me? Am I tripping? Or do y'all agree? Y'all let me know in the comments. So I had a list of like 4 hairstyles that I wanted to show y'all. I think this may be the 4th hairstyle, not on my list, but just showing y'all a couple hairstyles playing in and out. But honey, I'ma keep going. My hair is so straight back here from me putting them in them braids. That is so crazy. So I'm gonna take these out, child. These are cute. I just like the braids. I think I like the braids a lot, like with my natural hair. No wonder these girls was doing this, and I see it all on Instagram. It's kind of cute. For a festival, it's cute. For every day, nah, this ain't my stilo. I think I look crazy. Especially with these braids coming forward like this. Like, what? Did you not finish? Or something? I feel like it look crazy. Maybe if I was to have these to the back or something. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like looking like a Pocahontas the same. You know, or something like that. That's cute, because these remind me of the braids that everybody is getting like towards the front, you know, like the old Alicia Keys style braids. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of slow-mos of these so I can get my little thumbnail. So yeah, y'all enjoy these right quick. Hi you guys, so this is where I believe I'm going to actually end this video today, tonight, whatever, because I kind of like came to like a little stump in the road, bump in the road, log in the road, whatever y'all want to call it, where I really don't know what other hairstyles to do, and I had to actually look back at my channel to make sure that I wasn't going to begin to be repetitive, and I actually was. I was going to do this hairstyle that I've done in a previous natural hair video, so I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna just let y'all check out that video, and make sure that y'all check out this video too, of course, and y'all thumbs up. Y'all comment down below if this video was helpful, or if you just simply enjoyed it. Let me know. I love you guys, and let me know what other videos y'all would like to see other than vlogs and all of that stuff. Also, by the way, I am going to film with some guy friends. They are also YouTubers. I'm going to do a video with them, of course, and then they're going to help me do a video on my channel. And with my channel, I need some questions from the lady viewers, which is like 80% of my viewers. So ladies, I need y'all to leave down in the comments some questions that y'all would like to ask guys, whether it's pertaining to relationship, whether it's pertaining to, I don't know, guy friends, or you know, whatever. Any type of question that you'd be like, oh my god, why guys be like this, why y'all do this, or how y'all feel when we do this. Let me know all of the deets in the comments, okay? And I'm probably going to use each and every one of y'all's comments or questions that y'all actually leave down. So make sure y'all do that. I'm gonna pay attention to the comments. I'm gonna be replying to everybody and all of the good stuff. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As you can tell, my hair is looking kind of crazy right now. It's gonna looking crazy. It's gonna looking crazy. But it's all good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share this video, and do not forget to turn your notifications on. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on my next video.